Every time an enterprise attempts to verify intelligent network routing, they trigger a massive manual audit. Between internal analyst hours and external verification fees, this process currently costs $3,303 per execution. By contrast, the physics floor cost for that same verification using automated observability is just $2.50. This created a 1,321 times efficiency gap. It persists because operators make resource allocation decisions inside a black box, forcing your team to perform expensive forensic archaeology to find out if the routing logic you paid for actually exists. The Structured Intelligence Procurement template provides the mechanism to close this gap. It mandates mathematical proof of AI routing decisions before any premium payments are released. Fixing this requires a complete contractual rewrite that treats network intelligence as a verifiable technical deliverable rather than a marketing promise. Step 1. Audit your current billing event logs to distinguish sessions initiated by humans from sessions initiated by autonomous AI agents. This sorting allows you to calculate your Autonomous Session Value Ratio, or ASVR. To find this, compare the revenue generated by an AI agent, like one closing a deal, to the revenue from a standard human session. This chart illustrates the core problem. An AI agent might deliver $50 in business value, yet it's billed at the same fraction of a cent as a human user. Because your current contract can't see this difference, your network is systematically underpricing its most valuable traffic. Establishing this baseline gives you the financial leverage to prove to stakeholders that the current contract is hemorrhaging value, creating the mandate to restructure your operator relationship. Step 2. You must insert a decision audit log mandate into your next RFP or contract renewal. This clause, highlighted in red, legally requires the operator to expose the logic behind every routing selection, SLA prioritization, and capacity shift. Do not accept monthly PDF summaries. These are static documents designed to obscure real-time decision quality through broad, generalized language. Your template must specifically mandate machine-readable API endpoints. This allows your systems to query the operator's logic directly without human intervention. Shifting to API telemetry replaces vague marketing narratives with raw, verifiable technical evidence. Step 3. Define a dual-mode observation framework in the agreement to ensure you never lose visibility, regardless of operator cooperation. On the left, active mode uses a direct API integration to pull decision logic straight from the operator's endpoints. On the right, passive mode acts as a failsafe. It reconstructs the operator's decision patterns from outcomes you can see, like latency variance and failover times, to infer the logic behind the network behavior. Since passive mode relies on data your team already controls, the operator cannot use proprietary IP as a reason to withhold transparency. This dual-layered approach structurally removes the operator's ability to hide, stripping away their primary negotiation advantage. Step 4. Restructure your commercial terms to incorporate an intelligence pricing escrow. Under this model, the premium you pay for intelligent routing is held in a conditional release state separate from your basic transport fees. Payments only move from this vault once your dashboard mathematically verifies that the operator's AI actually drove a better outcome than standard statistical routing. To make this enforceable, include an anti-circumvention protocol. This prevents operators from legally blocking your independent measurements, even under exclusive contracts. By tying payments to verification checkpoints, you ensure the enterprise only pays for intelligence that can be independently proven. By implementing this template, you achieve a transparent network ecosystem. You have corrected the information asymmetry that historically favored the operator. Operators are now required to compete on verifiable performance rather than opaque marketing claims. Distribute this procurement template to your legal and IT leads today to prepare for your next renewal cycle. You can begin mapping your current blind spots immediately by piloting passive reconstruction on your existing data. This template transforms the enterprise from a blind consumer of connectivity into an informed owner of verifiable network intelligence.